which one's gonna be our worm box? Banana peels and stuff in our hands when we're done eating stuff. And we have paper and stuff in our hands and stuff. So we could just do that, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like pigs on here. See?
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Fish Guy Josh. He's my son, Ryder. This is Father-Son Fishing. Today on the channel, we're leveling up your family fishing by showing you how to create your very own miniature fishing worm bin. That way you can keep your worms alive. You can put all your extras in there. They can grow, maybe even make babies, stay nice and fresh. You can feed them. Really fun family project and a really great way to have bait anytime you need it. It's going to be fun, cool little DIY. We're going to do it all.
For the kids.
First thing we're going to do, we got these little Home Depot bins. We got the mini bins. This is going to be our bottom bin for the worm tea, which is the gross water that drains out the bottom of worm bins so that they don't get too wet. It's also really good to use in your garden. So what we're going to do is stick another one of these bins inside of this, but we want to create a little bit of space. So we just have these little pavers. We're going to put these pavers in there like this. Like that. That's going to keep the other one off the bottom to let it drain and air out. This is good to go. To get our top one on, we're going to need to cut some holes in it first. So let's go do that real quick. All right, we want to make sure these worms can breathe and have plenty of airflow. So we're going to do a bunch of holes in the top. We also want to make sure that this thing drains into the bottom bin. So we're going to put a bunch of little holes on the bottom.
Can I see you do it?
Sure. Of course you can. It's a lot of holes in the top. We want to get a little cross breeze going too. So I might put a few holes in the side as well. What do you think, Ryder?
Can I see?
Holes in the side?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Don't forget this is all plastic, so you want to make sure you dump it all back in the trash can. Dust the plastic off. Let's go put it in the trash. We got our lid nice and holy. We got some side holes for some side breeze. Before we just throw worms in here, we got to prep it first. First thing we're going to do is take some of this paper, tear it up in the bottom. You want to help me? Just grab some paper, tear it up, dude. We're going to take this paper, rip it to shreds, and then we're going to spray it with some water to get it nice and wet. We'll have to borrow Mom's mister, okay?
Can I ask her if we can borrow it?
You can ask her, sure. Okay, we're going to take the mister, and we're going to get our paper all wet, okay? Flip it around a little bit. They want it wet, dude. They want it wet.
Can I do it?
Sure, you can do it. Nice, nice, nice. Toss it around for you. There you go. There's some more. Right there. There you go. There we go. Nice. Oop, there's some more. Let's toss it around. Need some help? You got it. Hey, you're missing me. Hey, buddy. Watch where you're missing. Watch where you're missing. There you go. In there. Get that dry piece. Nice. This one too. Yeah. Think that's enough paper?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The dirt.
Dirt is next. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we got organic soil. Okay. All natural raised bed. Container mix. Organic. Okay. We're gonna put some in. For our wormy worms.
I think that's enough.
I think that's probably enough too. Whoa.
Now the dirt pieces flying everywhere.
They are flying everywhere. We're gonna put our base layer down with our bricks. We're gonna set it on top. Now it'll drain. Okay. Gonna dig a little hole in the corner here.
How come?
How come? I'll tell you how come. Because you're sitting on how come.
Worms.
The worms. That's right. All right. Let's get those worms out.
Can I lift some with my hands?
With your hands? Okay. You dump some of that in there. There you go. Look at all them worms. Go for it. What do you think? Cool stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? We'll mix some there. Put some over here. Yeah? Got a lot of dirt, but I think it'll be okay. What do you think?
Are they twisting and tunneling?
Yeah, they'll twist and tunnel. We'll grab a big handful down there. Just whoa! Show the camera. Whoa! Let me grab a bunch too. Oh, there's such a big ball of worms down here, dude. Whoa! All right, can we put them right here and just let them? You can spread them out. I'll dump the rest of this dirt in here. All right, dude, I think these worms are going to be much happier. What do you think?
I'm much happier.
Because they got some good dirt now. Yeah, what do you think? We put a little too much dirt, but that's okay. They'll be fine. They'll be fine. They'll be happy. Huh. Stir up their old dirt with the new dirt. Okay. And we'll take this, give them a little spray down. Okay. Now, we'll put the lid on, like so. Don't want any ants to get in here, but I have a good idea on how to do that. We're going to do a moat. You know what a moat is?
What?
I'll show you. Alright, we're going to take this. We're going to put some water in this. Then put this inside of it so the ants can't crawl across it. Okay? Put it like this. Water inside. And that way they can't get to it. Sound good?
But they could still crawl up into it.
They can't because they have to cross water. Alright, dude, what do you think of that?
Well, there's a flying bug right there.
Good worm bin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Alright. Mission accomplished?
Where's all of the water gonna go?
It's gonna go inside here, like this. We'll put a little more in there, and the ants can't crawl across it to get to our worms. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thanks so much for coming along on another playthrough. As always, be kind. Please rewind. Ryder, anything else to add?
If you bring a kid fishing.